Hi everyone, so today we're going to be talking about a new WeChat Moments advertising function, which allows you to place limited time period ads. What that means is, it used to be if you place a WeChat Moments ads, you would at least need to run it for 12 hours. But with this new function, it gives you more flexibility and you are able to shorten that time span so that you only run your ads for as little as 4 hours. Now these ads work best for two types of ads. So the first one would be if you have an online live stream. So in the case of Tencent Video, they had a live show where they wanted to encourage people to log in and to vote for a competition that was going on the live stream. So they placed the ads in the hours leading up to that live stream so that they could drive more people to watch the ads. Now, if you think about it, you can see how it's much more effective than them placing the ads, say, 24 hours earlier. When you're captivating people in the hours leading up to the event, you're much more likely to drive traffic towards that live stream broadcast. And then the second type of ad is if you know the lifestyle behavior of your target audience. So Olay had released a cream that they claim would target the night owls, people who stay up for late nights, especially over the weekends. So what they did was they chose to run their ads in 4-hour increments on Fridays from 8 to 12 a.m. So 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. And then they ran the ads again on the weekend from 12 a.m. to 4 a.m. Now, who would be active during that time on WeChat swiping through their Moments ads? Of course, the night owls. So they were targeting young females in their 20s, and the messaging there was that the cream could help save their weekend dates. So this is the new function that you're able to use with WeChat Moments ads, and in our blog post, we answer some of the FAQs for this function as well. So you will want to visit our blog on our website at catalystagents.com.